It is so fucking stupid. As I told you in the last video, I'm getting a lot of emails every single day. Between 5 and 30 emails. Recently though, half of these emails consist of warnings to me that an impersonator is on my channel and pretend to be me and inviting people to contact them on fucking Telegram. Because apparently you have won something. I mean, seriously guys, are you really falling for these fucking scammers all the time? And it is so fucking obvious that this is not even me. Come on, I'll show you something. Look at this here. My channel, the scammers channel. My channel, the scammers channel. My channel name, the scammers channel name. My YouTube handle, the scammers YouTube handle. I mean, do you see the difference? Apart from this little logo, nothing else is the same. Look at this weird font they are using in their channel name, Telegram Me. And they make this to hide from the YouTube algorithm, so the YouTube filter will not detect them. And here, this is how they do it. This is my YouTube handle. It's called @OffGridGarageAustralia, all one word, right? If you look at the scammers channel and their YouTube handle, it says @OffGridGarageAustralia ... _. By the way, have you noticed the sharpness and clearness of my screen recordings now? It's good, right? See, look at this fine difference. He's got 4 dots and 1 underscore behind the YouTube handle. I've got nothing, just the name Offgrid Garage Australia. This is all I have as the YouTube handle. And this is exactly how they keep doing it. They're just adding a dot at the end of the name, because eventually YouTube will block their channel and then they are reopening a new one and they cannot use the old handle anymore because it's already been used. So they just keep adding dots and other symbols at the end. And these little tiny dots behind the YouTube handle are not quite obvious for everyone. They're easy to miss. As I appreciate all your emails you have sent to me, reporting these scammers to me, there's literally nothing I can do about it. This is all totally out of my control. So if you want to help fighting these fucking scammers, click on their name when they leave a comment, go to the About page on their channel, and click this little flag. Report user, impersonation, or you can also click spam or scam. Let's stay with the impersonation. Choose this channel is impersonating someone else. Click on next. And then copy my channel URL in this field here, which you can get by going to my channel and just copying the URL at the top. Paste this in here. Click on next. You can leave additional notes, but you don't have to. Click on submit and it's been reported to YouTube. Another easy sign that it's really me is that my channel name has this gray box around it. See that? That says that's really me who is commenting. Ewok Jerky? Are you serious? If this is the Telegram channel, it won't have this gray box. And this is not only happening to me, it happens to almost all other channels on YouTube as well. I recently found a comment from a channel called Telegram Me on Undecided with Matt Farrell, or what his channel name is. It's a fairly big and well-known channel, and they were trying to scam you on my channel with his fake account. But no matter how good YouTube's filter is, they will always find a way around it. And if it is just by changing the font and letters in the channel name. And the YouTube filter doesn't pick this up because it thinks these are little icons and pictograms and graphics and not real text. There really should be no icons or emojis allowed in channel names. And these scammers, they will just keep doing it because it's worth doing. And it is not so much a fault of YouTube. I mean, sure, they need to do something about it, but it is more a problem with you guys, because you are the target and obviously it is worth doing. And once you contact them on Telegram, they promise you all the big prizes like the Bluetti and inverters and power stations and all kind of other shit, because you are the winner of the prize draw. Well, even I didn't do one. And I haven't announced anything. And there was nothing under the video mentioned about it. But still, you fell for it. You contacted them on Telegram. And then they tell you, well, the power station is for free, but you need to pay for the shipping. It's about $60 to $80 US, and they'll probably give you a PayPal address which has nothing to do with Off-Grid Garage Australia. And then, of course, once they got your money, you will never hear back from them again. But at the end, it is you who is clicking on the link from your bank, asking for verification of your bank details. You are clicking on this text message coming from the taxation office in your country, so you can claim your $900 tax return. It is not me or YouTube or a stolen channel icon or a picture somewhere. It is actually you. And I guess for the scammers, it is worth doing. Because you keep doing it. I have done 2 or 3 giveaways here on the channel so far, and it was always a total nightmare. Then I need to fill out all these custom declarations, taxation forms, export documents, just to be contacted by the winner then on the other end of the world that he has to pay custom because the value of the product I declared was too high. I mean, if you have to pay 21 euros on import taxes in your country to get a 80 euro worth balancer for free, it's still not a bad deal, right? But yeah, this is all the shit you have to deal with when you send stuff overseas. So I totally gave up on giveaways and prize draws and free gifts and all this kind of stuff. And I'm not doing any of that anymore here on the channel. I'm sorry. I would like to, but there's too much going on. But this is all so obvious not to fall for this. The channel name is completely different. Click on the channel, compare it to mine. There's no content. Usually the account has been set up just a couple of days ago. The YouTube handle at Off-Grid Garage Australia is unique. I'm not on Telegram, I'm not on Instagram. I'm just here on YouTube for you. I'm not doing any other social media for in this purpose. I'm just here on this channel on YouTube. There's no other way to contact me just via YouTube. That's the only way. And these scammers, they will keep doing it as long as you do it. What does IT at work put under the emails? Ah, yeah, click. Now, think before you click. And you should do exactly that. This is not me. This is me. Not me. This is me. You won't believe how many people are sending me an email and asking me to confirm if it's really me who is contacting them. I mean, are you By the way, it is almost 10:30 in the morning, so I'm German. That's Sunday morning culture. So I would really appreciate your help with that and reporting these scammers to YouTube instead of me. You can also report a scammer directly in the comment section. Just hover your mouse over the comment you think it's spam. Just click on the 3 dots at the end, click on report, and here select the unwanted commercial content or spam. I'm not going to, Andrew, I'm not going to report you, of course. That was just me randomly picking one. I haven't done anything. Andrew, I appreciate your comment and your ongoing financial support for the channel here. Thank you so very much. Yeah, and you probably will see a lot of spammers and scammers now under this video here because I will use some keywords in the video description as well. And this usually attracts them because they think there is a real giveaway. I'm giving away all this shit here to you. So they hop onto the bandwagon then and try to catch you. So don't fall for it. If I'm ever going to do a giveaway again in the future, I will mention this in the video and in the video description, how to contact me, how to claim your prize, and it 100% won't be via Telegram. Usually I've got a special email set up for this, and this is linked in the video then and the video description. So always look for these signs as well. Yeah, I think this is all for this lazy Sunday morning. Just if you see one, just keep reporting them to YouTube, not to me. And I'll keep reporting them as well, and especially don't fall for them, don't contact them. Don't make it worth for them doing this. Okay guys, so far this video from today, I guess. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for all your amazing support. Thanks for the beer, Andrew. And stay safe. Stay safe, guys. Don't fall for it. Cheers.